it's Miss Hodgson. I'm an English music and drama teacher based in London, and I've got all sorts of activities for you to try whilst you're at home. And this afternoon, I thought I might show you how to make a very simple greetings card. I've made this one to say Happy Easter, but you could choose to say thinking of you or with love or whatever message you'd like to send. And we're going to be using coloured paper in a very simple way. So this is what we're making today. It's a collage of a basket of flowers. And I've written the words Happy Easter, but you can choose whichever greeting you'd like. So the things you'll need: some scissors and glue, some coloured card or paper. And if you don't have any coloured card or paper, you can do what I've done here, which is to paint on some paper and leave it to dry, and then use that to cut out your shapes from. And that's what I'm going to be using today. Now the first thing you need to prepare is the basket, and all you need to do is cut out an oval shape in whatever colour card you'd like to choose. And the next step is to cut the oval shape in half. This will become the bottom of the basket, like so. And then you're going to cut out the handle of the basket by cutting out a bit like a rainbow shape to stick on the top. Use some glue and then stick your basket onto your card. Like so. Next you need to cut out your leaves that are going to be in the basket. I'm just going to cut mine out freehand like this. But if you'd like, you can turn over the paper and draw your leaf shape on the back and then cut it out if that's easier. There we go. Using a little bit of glue, you can stick your leaves into your basket, and really you can use as many as you like. Next you need to cut out your flowers. Again, I'm just going to freehand cut my flowers, but if it's easier, turn the paper over, draw your shape on the back and then cut it out yourself. If you need a grown-up to help you, that's fine. Once your flowers are all cut out and ready, you can glue them down. Just a little bit of glue and pop down the flowers. There we go. Now we need to add the centres to the flowers. You can either use coloured paper and cut out some circles, or use a hole punch and punch out some circles, or maybe even use some paint or felt pen to add centres to your flower. I'm going to use some orange paper to make a centre for my flowers. Just add that last centre there. And that's my card done. And now all that's left to do is to write on your message. I'm going to write on the basket this time because there's no space at the top. And I'm going to write thinking of you. I'm sure we all know lots of people we could put a card in the post for at this time, maybe a grandparent or a relative, or even a friend that we haven't seen from school. Hope you're doing okay, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.